start it. Works every time. I'll show you here. Oops. Didn't want to do that. Put your key in ignition. Rapid dings. Turn your key to on. 5 slow dings. Lights went out. Dinging stop. Start right up. Now, sometimes if you don't take your key out, like you're going to get out and pump gas, you can just get right back in it, start right up. And sometimes you can take your key out and get right back in it, and it'll start right back up. As long as you don't use your alarm or lock your doors, there's a good chance that you do not have to do this sequence. But should you lock your doors, shut it, unlock, lock, and then try to start, nothing. Absolutely nothing. And I didn't even use my remote alarm system on the keychain. I simply used the button on the inside of the door. So, door has to be open because you want 6 to 8 quick dings. Put your key in, turn it to on, you get 5 slow dings, some of the lights go out, and it starts. Now sometimes I've put my key, turned it to the on position, and only get 1 ding. Or sometimes I don't even get any dings. That happens, that's fine. Simply wait the 5 seconds till some of those lights on your dash go out. Once they go out, it's ready to start. 9-second start up, easy fix. No wires, no mechanic. But you do have to take 9 seconds to start your truck. Thank you.